Oh, this too slow. Oh, first round. Thank you. Geez, where? Please, where? I'm not gonna see nothing. How? Here we go. Wait! Why are you doing that? Ooh! Why you did? See, now Pink over here. Now Pink over here gotta do it by herself. You know what? I'm helping you. I'm helping you. Dang. How? See, it always think I'm sis wherever color I have. I will try. See, this is why I hate typing on freaking mobile, bro. It's the only reason. I always think I'm good. Let's go. Dang. I was legit trying to say something, but I got sus, so I had to change it. I was trying to say I came from like the hallway, but I was trying to tell them that I already know somebody killed me behind me because so they can make me sus and stuff. I already know. That's what I was trying to say. But you know, get. I hope I don't fail, bro. If I fail, that is the dumbest thing ever. If I fail. No, no. I'm done. You sus. What you mean? Damn. Please don't be sus me, bro. No, don't vote me. 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 Please. I swear, if you vote me, man, I swear. I need to kill. I need to kill. No. No. I'm done. I'm gonna waste time, guys. I'm gonna waste time. I'm gonna waste time. Nope. I'm not gonna. Oh, look, there was someone on YouTube. They did something and then they waited for a long time, and then they won. So I'm gonna see if that could happen. I'm not gonna vote. I'm not voting. This is kind of troll, but I don't care. I don't care. I'm gonna pull up with a kid face. No, I should have voted Ava. I should have voted Ava. Dang. That's Trump 2024. I'm gonna be real, I really don't even like Trump, but If Joe Biden worse, I like Trump way better. That's in my opinion. So this is me again, and I'm not the imposter. I'm unlucky. I'm like I'm like Rico the Giant. I'm like getting sus off for no reason. Off because I don't know. I won an imposter game literally one time. Well, more than one time. But for real, that's not cool. Why am I sussing? I'm supposed to do task. I'm over here pretending to. I'm stupid. I'm pretending to do tasks. I don't know why I'm doing that. Let me do tasks. I'm acting stupid. So how I do this? How I do this? How I do this? A3? I don't know. Oh. She was confused by the way. Where? Who you voted? You see what I'm saying? Do not vote me. I swear if you vote me, I'm literally gonna end your whole career. If you vote, I'm gonna end your whole career. I'm gonna get some peanut butter and jelly and eat some sandwiches. I'm sorry. I had to, bro. saying. Mm. That's sus, bro. I'm not even lying. That was sus. He just said science, and then he said, I don't know, not sure. I'm watching you, White. I'm watching you. I'm watching you, White. You're not slick. You're not slick. What is wrong with you? Did he just say pink? He just said he just said pink, and then he said.